Under the kind of climate we are in, you don't go restlessly to every nation from nation to nation for crusade, spending millions under this climate, and you went there and you took no offering. 100% of everything that was spent there, we carried it. We didn't come here for your money. 100%. Not one dime from that land. Are you ready for well?
Welcome back to the moment of truth and enlightening class. You heard Enenche telling his lies everywhere. I don't know who sent Enenche to be going everywhere doing crusades. You can stay in your church and do whatever. He's going everywhere. He say he's taking low offering. So he's not denying that he's taking offering. Oh, he's not denying that. So government is giving them money. Oh, he cannot be going all these places for nothing. Oh, my people get sense. So he's not good at home. He has people locked up in the prison. Even when they want to release them on bail, he refused them to be bailed. Okay, this was breaking news. This was on the 8th, or which date? I can't even see it now, but this is recent. Abuja court to rule August 19. Yes, August 19 this year on bail for detained Enenche over alleged defamation of Dunamis pastor Paul Enenche. That one, that was on the 19th. I will read another one. People are bashing him. He's not good at home. They are not repairing home, but they are going outside to do good. Is that even possible? They say charity begins at home. So, another one, he didn't turn the other cheek. Someone offends you. They've been on this thing since December last year. He won't let the guy go. So, another one wrote, pastors, even Jesus forgives. These businessmen now something else. So, they are not pastors, my people. Stop wasting your time with all these men. There's no miracle in their hands. Baba Omoleyin told us, there's no miracle. Pentecostal liars, they lie here and there. They lie. They are just for money. They are people robbers, pulpit robbers, they are pulpit bandits. See, the miracle is performing here and there. Enenche do crusade everywhere. He performed miracles everywhere. Yet, Nigeria could not felt his impact. Everything is negative about this guy. Only him using his mouth and his wife and that of his wife too. Only them telling you they've done this, they've done that. So this is what happened recently. Breaking. This was 3 hours ago. Abuja High Court restores Enenche's bail over alleged defamation of Dunamis pastor. The guy finally got free from Enenche, and look at him crying there. They put the picture of him crying because he does not want to let the guy go. No. So, see what people are saying. This one na tears of joy or tears of sorrow. See how people rubbishing him at home, and he said he's going everywhere doing crusade. Who sent you? Who sent you? Another one wrote, is that why he's crying? Cry me a river. Yes. See how people are mocking Enenche? It's nothing in Nigeria. All of you out there still believing in all this mess. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your destiny. Another one wrote, why is one person crying and the other person is smiling? The one that is smiling is the one that has been setting free. Enenche has been set free. That's why he smiles. So, another one wrote, I thought Christianity was all about forgiveness. No, not this one. So, what happened to the portion of the Bible that said, vengeance is mine? This fight is not prosper. It's not proper in the eyes of the Lord. This is how they are disgracing God here and there. Enenche said, in this case, so mercy has expired. I've never heard that in my life. Another one said, tears of joy from our pastor Enenche. Tears of joy, call. Enenche, you see your life. This is someone that is serious, that went to save lives. He went to save life, and they are doing paparazzi here and there. Look at him there with his kids taking pictures. Look at him there. Look at that one. That one graduated as a doctor. They are not doing anything with their lives. Nothing. They follow their baba business everywhere, and they are messing about inside the camera, in front of the camera. They are messing about everywhere. He say he's doing charity. He's doing this. Once they give them 1 Congo of rice, they put it in the they put camera on their face. Look at his children. Look at what they are doing. Look at them there. My people, you have to know this God yourself. God is not in what they are doing. God does not know them. I keep telling you. If you like, believe me. God does not know them. They are not doing the will of God. They are doing the will of their father. The father, the devil. Their father is the devil. That's the one they are doing his will. It's nothing to do with Christ. Because the fruit of Christ is not in them. If the fruit of Christ is not in them, then they are not of God. They are just doing their own thing. That's the way it is. I saw this Enenche thing. I said, that's why they be lying. They never come out to say we've collected money. No. Only Kumuyi said the government are giving us money. And I posted many videos about them receiving bags, gifts from all these politicians. All of them receiving gifts, especially Christmas time. You see all of them receiving gifts from the politicians. So don't let anybody fool you. Time to wise up. Time to know God for yourself. You see what is going on now between Baba Omoleyin and all of them. They are exposing each other. He's telling you what is going on. There's nothing there. He said he feels sorry for all of you that goes to winner. It's not lie. All of you that goes to Christ Embassy, I keep telling you, it's not lie. I've been to Christ Embassy. I was his leader, cell leader. The only place I've not been to in my life is Kosa. Because only a blind person will not see that Kosa is not of God. There's nothing of God in that guy. Nothing. He's just there for money, to make money. He is a cult leader. You go there to ruin your life, to destroy your own destiny. We posted a video about one of the lead choir, a pregnant young lady that just lost her life. That girl just perished like that. Her friend that is also in choir came out to reveal what is going on in Kosa. The video is there on my playlist. Once you type Biodun Fatoyinbo, everything about Biodun Fatoyinbo will come up. My people, I hope you learned something today. My own is to wake you up. Don't go and enter the forest fire. The forest fire is not easy to come out of. And I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.